So this is how we are keeping Tommy busy while we wait to board. Good job, Tommy. Getting ready to go surprise Tommy for her birthday. Traveling with a toddler is something else as well. Hi, Mama. Hi. Yeah, keep writing. See, look, like it's traveling with a toddler is work. Like if you see the things that are inside our box, the things that are inside our box. Oh, good job, Mama. So we're heading to Orlando, Florida. Tommy doesn't know where we're heading to yet, but she knows we are traveling. So let's see how this goes. So Tommy is still busy. So we're going to put some stickers on this. Good. Hold it now.
Where she goes? Where she goes, Mommy?
We can put her anywhere.
In the castle?
We can put her in the castle.
But Jasmine likes going in the castle. Like oh, didn't Jasmine have a crown in the castle again?
Where's she going?
Yes, she's going in the castle. With Ariel.
We are on our way to somewhere special.
Yeah, we are going to my Tommy's magical playground.
Yeah, we're going to a magical playground. Tommy believes we're going to a magical playground. So let's see what that magical playground is going to look like. Are you excited to go to your magical playground?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. So we have the choice to use a monorail, but I think we're going to go on the boat. And this is going to take us to, the Magic Kingdom. So we're going to use the ferry boat instead of the monorail, just because it's a boat.
Because I want to try.
Yeah, plus Daddy wants to try the boat and Tommy wants to try it too. So yes, we are on the boat. Hi. We're on the ferry boat. And I can see the castle over there. Ooh, that horse is big. Yeah. Mama, see, who is that? Is that Tony the tiger? Oh. Oh, Mama, this is Ariel's. See, come. Yeah. This is where, I think this is where Ariel lives, Mama. You want to take a picture in front? Okay. at them, look at them. See Snow White. Today is her birthday. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that is so exciting. Well, I have an idea. Maybe I'll wait up